Have you ever seen a YouTuber keep the frame center on a person when you're watching vertical format videos on YouTube Shorts or Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, and have asked yourself, how the heck do they do that? Well, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it in DaVinci Resolve. It's so easy that this video will be very short and not a waste of time at all. So first, you want to select the clip that you want to recenter for vertical format. Go up into the inspector in the top right corner. Go down to where it says Smart Reframe. There's a drop down, and when you click on that, there will be a thing that says Object of Interest, and then there's a drop down for that, and it says Auto or Reference Point. Auto usually works really well every single time, as it will automatically detect a subject like a person. But you can also do Reference Point, where you can select the point of interest yourself if you don't feel like it will work very well in the auto mode, or if you simply tried auto mode and it didn't work very well. I'm going to do auto mode, as you can as well, and then I will click on reframe, and it will think for a second and process the clip, and then it will recenter it in 2 seconds or so. And it's just insane how easy and quick it is. As you can see, it's very centered, and it's following the subject, which is what we want when we're in vertical format. That's what's nice about using the auto reframe, smart reframe feature in DaVinci Resolve. You don't have to manually make keyframes to keep your subject in the center of the frame. Now, this usually isn't a problem if you're filming on an iPhone, but if you're filming with a regular camera and you're converting it to vertical format, then this is going to be very helpful for you. Let me show you another clip that is a little bit harder to reframe. This one's easy to reframe, but if I were to bring up this clip of a person that is on their laptop, you can see that he's not in frame entirely, and I would have to reframe it. And I don't want to keyframe the position. I just want to simply click a button and have it work. So let me click on reframe. It will analyze the clip, take 2 seconds or so, and then it can reframe and keep him in the center, which is so cool. It's so easy. If you are working on a ton of different social media clips for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, this is going to be very helpful for you. It will save you loads of time. So as you just saw, I extended this clip and then I had to reframe it again. So when you do have to extend the clip like this, you will have to reframe it because it did not reframe this part at the end, okay? So keep that in mind, and well, like I said, easy peasy lemon squeezy. I hope you learned something, and if you did, awesome. If you are confused about something, don't be shy. Drop a comment down below and ask me a question, and I will be sure to answer to the best of my ability. Share this video with your friends and family if this would be beneficial to them as well. Remember to click the subscribe button so that you can support the channel and I can keep making these videos in the future. And without further ado, I will see you guys next time.